Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcome you to Easy Money Show. Yesterday, being the weekly expiry day, Nifty held the support of 15,600 and it also took that resistance of 15,800 to close at 15,700. Positionally, I've been repeating Nifty based on market profile chart reading has a very strong support at 15,560. So this level of 15,560, if it is broken, then I confirm and say that yes, this market will slide, but bit more than what anyone can expect. However, if we close decisively above 15,830, then I say the whole small profit booking which was there is already done and dusted. Buy your good stocks and get back to this medium to long term super bullish market. And let me tell you, if inflation has been the biggest worry throughout the world, people have to understand normally what happens as inflation goes up, interest rate also goes up. But what is happening now is interest rates are remaining at the same place, but inflation has gone up too much beyond even controllable levels. And let me tell you, most of them are talking it is transitory, it is temporary, and this cannot be for very long time period. But then let me tell you, if the easy monetary policy which is there now throughout the world and the stance taken by most of the central bank continue, this inflation will not be transitory, it will become more or less closer to permanency, and that is a big cause of worry. And when interest rate get back also along with inflation, then I say central banks will start tightening their monetary policy. Let me clearly tell you, today is a make or break day for me as a very short term trader. And let me tell you why. SGX Nifty is indicating a gap up open of 60 point. Now let me tell you, if this is a weak market, bears who are all waiting will go and short this market because you are giving them a 60-point gap up. And even yesterday weekly expiry is already over. Now I'm telling you just not why market will go up or come down, I'm telling you the reason or the cause. In fact, what will you do with me showing my profit screenshot of yesterday and the huge money what I made? In fact, my followers and fans have put in my Twitter handle the profits what they have made in lot of stocks like Adani, which I was shouting from the rooftop. Adani Power on the buy side, where 3 days it gave a 50% return. Many more like Reliance Industry, Ismaitip, Paraj Industry, Prince Pipe, and it goes on. But let me tell you, the learning is the key here for me. So, what is that big learning in today's Easy Money show? After a 60-point gap up open, which you are seeing today based on SGX, if this market is weak, the bears will latch out and then they go and sell this market aggressively, and they will not allow markets to close anywhere above that crucial level of 15,830, which I am telling. However, if today this gap up is not sold into and you still get buying after a 60-point gap up, it tells to me bulls are very very strong. And if you can take market above 15,830, all the analysis before is completely done and dusted. Let us just go and get back to the medium to longer time frame market, which is very very bullish. So looking at market and what it says is very important, not giving your individual comment and saying I am bigger than market. In fact, let me tell you, even Warren Buffett, Rakesh Junjunwala, Radhakishan Damani, for sure Rudramurthy is all too below or too small compared to the big market has been the biggest teacher for me ever, and it will continue to be the biggest teacher. And let me tell you, market is god and you have to respect it and never ever think you are above market. And let me tell you, today if bulls are stronger enough to hold this market even after a gap up open, and they take this above 15,830, then I say bulls are back to this market, momentum is back, keep buying good stocks, and we will get back on the buy side. So it's a very make or break market kind of a thing today. Observe whether this gap up can be sustained by bulls or not. If not, the trend is still on the weak side. Sell on every rise will continue. Yesterday FII sold to the extent of 880 crore, and if you see today there are 5 stocks which are in the ban list, and if I go to those stocks, they are Adani Port, BHEL, Canara Bank, Escorts and Punjab National Bank. Very important is IT has started outperforming, and if someone wants to stay long, be very stock specific and sector specific. Banking continues to underperform. Yesterday it has underperformed, and it might even continue today. So all this data and information and learning is only for you in your Rudralogy YouTube channel and in the Easy Money Show. Friends, those of you who missed attending Stock Trading for Financial Freedom, a free webinar for profitable trading and for your financial freedom, I will be doing this live this Sunday between 11 o'clock to 1:30 in my Twitter handle. I am Rudramurthy, which I have given in the description below. You will find a tweet where you have the link to register for the program. If you register, post that to your registered email ID, you will get a Zoom link using which you can participate and attend the live free online webinar Stock Trading for Financial Freedom happening this Sunday. So let me just give you the detail. It is on 20th of June 2021, coming Sunday between 11 o'clock to 1:30. And to register for this free online webinar Stock Trading for Financial Freedom, go to my Twitter handle given in the description below and just register and be part of that live session on stock trading for financial freedom. Only 500 seats are allowed, and on the live trading day, even if you are registered, please ensure you log in at least 1 hour before, because last week even all those guys who registered and who logged in bit late or just closer to the time of 11 o'clock, they could not get seat. We in fact increased it from 500 to 1000. Even 1000 got locked, like upper circuit in stock market where we have only buyers and no sellers. So that is the power of Rudralogy and the learning. So guys, right now register going to my Twitter handle for the free online webinar Stock Trading for Financial Freedom happening this Sunday between 11 o'clock to 1:30 live in Zoom meeting. Once you register, you will get to your registered email ID the link to attend the program. Ensure you log in early so that you are within those 500 people and you get your seat for the live session. See you all this Sunday, and do forward this video to as many people as possible. If you have already attended the program, just give seat to others to attend and join hands with me to spread the right financial literacy. Happy trading. Thanks for watching. All the learning whatever you are getting, please do make notes of it. Watch the videos again and again. Learn more to earn more. Thank you.